Fairy Garden Thursday. This is one of our summer spots we had, and this is where I made a lot of fairy gardens. Well, it's Fairy Garden Thursday, and I thought we'd just look back at some of my older fairy gardens. These ones I did out at the barn where we used to have our trailer, and I made all kinds of fairy gardens out there. And this was one of my favorite ones. And this is a collaboration, and it's hosted by Grandma Sandy and her co-host Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandra Lynn's Home and Garden, and myself, Sharon Shornigal. Well, I got a different swing, so I decided I would make this into a fairy garden. So I dug the grass out all underneath and put rocks and fabric, and then I put the fairy garden there and plants. There's all the little seedlings. This is one of the first little fairy houses I made, and I put it in a wheelbarrow outside my niece's house, and it was very cute. This was a fun one to do. I did it with little gnomes, and it is a tiki hut. And we put it up on the picnic table, and it looked really cute. Well, here's some pretty flowers that I put in an old wheelbarrow that I bought and brought it out to where we were camping, and here it is, the old wheelbarrow. This little lantern actually went in my first fairy garden I made at our home. So we'll have a little look and see what that looks like when I first... Well, here's the little garden, and I put a little white fence around it, and on the tree stump I put a pot and I put moss all over it, and then I decided to put that dish there to make it a bird bath. And these are some little fairies that I had hanging around, so I added them down there. And it has changed quite a bit since I have done this, and in my later videos you would see that. Okay, there's a little bunny area, and out front this is what it looks like from my deck, and it looks really nice. And this is a close-up. I'm very pleased with how this looks, but boy has it changed over the years. Well, thank you very much for watching my video. I'm so happy you were here, and thank you again, Grandma Sandy. And don't forget to watch the other co-hosts, and we'll see you in my next video. Sunday Home Reset.